What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Paul Radio Man 2094 here. Of course, back in from being out for 2 weeks because I didn't have anything to cover and stuff on my channel this week or during the weeks. But you get my point, though. But today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10e through Cricket Wireless. This is the prepaid version. Since the store is closed right now, this is all I could get. But you could drop your SIM card in here, and that's what I'm going to basically do with this one, because this is going to be my daily phone. But, alright, now let's get started. So, stand by real quick. Alright, so I picked this phone up at Walmart. The price on this one right now was $100. But I'll leave the links up in the description of the cheapest ones that I find in the Cricket Wireless version. That's my main carrier that I always use, is Cricket Wireless. So, yeah. But we don't need to go through all the specs, because this is pretty much the same specs that I shared. But we'll, let's unbox this and see what it is. Alright, so here it goes. Samsung Galaxy A10e, the Cricket Wireless version. Of course, we got a nice presentation alert. Of course, this is all the coverage you'll get from Cricket Wireless. Pause that and read it for yourself if you like. Mexico and Canada included. Pretty cool. That's cool. But, alright. Now, let's open this flap. Of course, this is your little presentation right here. Open up the flap. Of course, you got your information right there from Cricket Wireless, which is the pretty reliable network right now. I like Cricket Wireless. And of course, here's all your details. I already shared this, shared all the details and stuff. I did the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10e, what was it, a couple months ago. So I'll leave that link up in the description, though, if you guys want to watch the unboxing video of that. But you already know the deal. This is the GOAT phone. The greatest of all time. The greatest budget phone of all time. So, let's, alright, so I'm going to open up this flap real quick. Okay, I pull it back for. Okay, so you got an easy pull tab. Nice. Okay, put that right there. Okay, and then pull this out. Alright, so starting off. Okay, and then that's everything out of the box. Alright, so starting off. Let me open this real quick. Okay. Of course, starting off, this is going to be your device. If I could pull it out. There it is. Alright, so starting off, here's your device. And this is like the black color right here, or the silver. But I'll have to pause the video and do it side by side. But, because I don't have it with me, because I'm recording this video on this Samsung Galaxy A10e right here. But all I could do is just show you this one. But starting off, here's your phone. And your little sticker, we'll remove that here in a second. Of course, let's... Alright, so little card. Okay, so your service setup guide. Terms and conditions. You know the drill with that. Of course, here's your Samsung one. And then your Samsung quick start guide. I got tongue-tied. Alright, put those right here. Of course, and then your SIM ejection tool. And of course, here's your Cricket SIM card. Don't need to put this one in because I already have mine right here. Watch, I'll show you real quick. Yeah, this is the one from my Nokia. It's a long story why I don't have my Nokia, but I'll share that later. But we'll put this in here in a second. So here's your SIM card. Of course, here's your power brick, and of course you already know this phone is USB Type-C. But just to be sure, though. Yep, USB Type-C. But, alright, now let's get this plastic out real quick. Okay, so we're gonna do it nice and easy. Yeah, plastic's kind of killing me. Oh, and already on the startup. Of course, here's your. I already powered it up. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, it basically looks the same. But all right. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna drop my SIM card in. Then we'll go through everything. Stand by. Alright, all my information is getting updated in the background, so this is a perfect time to check out some cases for the Samsung Galaxy A10e that I already have. But there will be more in the future though, because I was going to take a look at a few from Zizo and then one from OtterBox and all that stuff. But all these cases you could get from Amazon or Walmart. All the links up in the description. The prices range from, what was it, 8 to 12 bucks or 11 bucks, excuse me. But you get my point though. But starting off, let's start off with the Zizo Transform series case. The price on this one, 12 bucks. That's what I meant to say, 8 to 12 bucks. My bad. So, all right, so here's the new Samsung Galaxy A10e. So I'm going to wipe down the case real quick. OCD was kicking in, dog. And then the plastic's in the way. Watch, hold on, let me fix that. Okay. Alright, that. Okay, yeah, that's fun. Alright, so of course everything lines up. Of course, here's your camera cutout. And then all your ports right here. Works flawlessly. And power button works with no issues. And of course, drop protected. Okay. Now let's take a look at the Spigen rugged armor. But let me get like these plastic edges off real fast. Kind of killing me at the moment. Fucking killing me, dude. Ha. Okay. So, Spigen rugged armor. Now this one's going to run you 11 bucks. So we're going to slip this in the Samsung Galaxy A10e real quick. See how it looks. Okay, that works with no issues. Of course, everything lines up. Blah, blah, blah. Power button. And you know all these cases work with charging. I already covered that video. Okay. Alright, so next up, let's take a look at the Poetic Karbon Shield case. The price on this one, 8 bucks. And you already know the deal. If you want real carbon fiber, get this one right here, the Poetic Karbon Shield. 8 bucks is a very cheap price to pay. Okay, so I'm going to slip this in. Of course. Alright, so power button works. Okay, it looks like everything's all set up on my phone too, so I'll get towards that here after the body glove case. So, alright. Now let's take a look at the body glove gel skin sleeve. Now this one's going to run you 15 bucks. But, shit. I meant to say 8 to 15 bucks. My bad, guys. My bad. I don't know. This whole fucking coronavirus has been killing me lately. Being under self-quarantine. Okay. So that works, no issues. Let me wipe this down real fast. Get a quick wipe down on the screen. Of course, everything works and stuff. All your cutouts on all these cases as well. You already seen the video, so you guys get the idea. Okay, and then swipe it down real fast. There you have it. But Alright, now let's get back to the phone. Stand by. Alright, y'all, so we back in. So I put all my information in. I got my SIM card in the phone, so we don't need to go through all the specs and all that stuff. We're just going right into the phone and stuff. Basically, everything's the same, but the only, and of course, you know, face unlock works pretty fast too. Of course, here's all your Cricket bloatware, and then all your bloatware that came in with the phone, and I'm actually adding some right now. But yeah, pretty much all the same specs that I shared. But just for the hell of it, let's watch, I'll get to that later. But we'll check out YouTube just to test out the speaker real quick. So let me pause the video. Alrighty, so I have it on my latest YouTube video though. The one with the, I don't know what's wrong, but hold on. Alright, sorry. Video took forever, but let's, alright, full screen. Of course, this is a nice little display. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Paul, Radio Man 2094 here. Back in, of course, even though we're all going through this whole situation. Yep. But today, alright, let's move on, yo. Alright, y'all, so overall, I definitely like this phone though. So this is, like I said, I didn't mind having this as my main phone to use, and now I got it. So let's wrap this up. So here's me one more time, and I'm going to give some channel updates real quick, so stand by. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video for the Samsung Galaxy A10e through Cricket Wireless. So stay tuned for more future videos on the channel. I got some more gameplays coming up in the future, and then I got some other stuff. So on that note, stay tuned. I'm out.